Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is Lookfantastic. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's £15 a month. If you do like a rolling monthly contract where you can cancel at any time. If you sign up for like 3, 6 or 12 months, you can get it cheaper every time. I do have a discount code which I'll put on the screen. This is sent to me in PR for free to review, but all opinions are honest and my own because nobody likes a bullshitter. Let's get in. This is the April box. Let's have a look. So it is a pink box, nice and cute. And it says, "Let your dreams blossom." You get a little quote on the inside. And then you get the Beauty Box Edit 04, It's Time to Blossom. You can get like a little one, and this will tell you all about what is inside, what's coming up. Face mapping, this one's got in it. What else is it? What exactly is clean beauty? Squalane, like that's an ingredient in skincare, and then it tells you what is in the box. The editor's note says, "Every spring in Japan, as far as the eye can see, the clouds of delicate cherry blossom. The season is a highlight of the Japanese calendar, with people spending more and more time outdoors appreciating the beauty of nature. It is so popular that travelers from around the world go around to Japan in search of the stunning landscapes, but they needn't look far. There's a picture-perfect photo opportunity. There's even a name dedicated to the act of observing these flowers, and that is Hanami. The blossom comes and goes in around 2 weeks, and throughout the period people come together to celebrate its beauty by having parties, festivals and picnics. But what is it about the cherry blossom that is celebrated, and why did we decide to focus this month box on it? Well, to keep things short and sweet, and they do go into it deeper, it says the fleeting life of a cherry blossom is the reminder that we should live our lives to the fullest." Oh, I really like that. That's really nice. So let's have a look and see what we've got in the box. It is like this. So the first thing I've got is some Eyelure 3/4 length light and wispy eyelashes. Eyelure are cruelty free, and they've got like, this has got the glue with them, reusable up to 5 wears, latex free and vegan friendly. They don't put the prices on, I don't think. They used to, but they don't now, so I will have a quick Google as I edit and put the prices on the screen for you guys. They look really nice lashes. I'm gonna have a little go with them this weekend. Next I've got a rose infused sheet mask. If you've been here before, you know that I hate the smell of rose, so I won't be using it. This brand, Beauty Pro, and this sort of particular style of sheet mask, they do different I can say flavours, but scents and ingredients. They're like one of my favourites, but I won't be using that because it is rose. Let's have a little look and see what it says about that. A botanical face mask formulated to heal and soothe, part of the part of Beauty Pro's plant-based range, filled with superfood ingredients. This is anti-inflammatories to minimise the redness, anti-aging and skin, blemish skin, and also fully biodegradable. So I'm sure they're really nice. You can keep sheet masks, like if you want to, like obviously keep them in a drawer. When you want to use it, chuck it in the fridge for 15 minutes, and when you put it on, be extra cold, and that's a really nice thing that I like to do. But I bought quite a lot of stuff for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I had a link, I did a Revolution haul if you want to have a sneak peek of what's in it, and then I'm slowly adding things to it. I've got a glossy box, glossy egg that I purchased myself, but it has been lost at the moment in the post. That's going into the giveaway, and things like this will go in as well. So it's going to be a big 10,000 subscriber giveaway. And that's what things like this, normally I give them to my friends and family, but they are going to go into a giveaway. Next, I've got a Glove Scrub X exfoliating accessory for soft and kissable lips. So it says, a tool designed to both exfoliate and treat cracked, chapped and encourage blood circulation for a fuller pout. Dampen the Scrub X with water and gently scrub your lips, avoiding too much pressure, and follow with your favourite lip balm. Do not use Scrub X more than once every 4 days. You put it in your washing machine at 40 degrees. I'm so intrigued. Glove is the brand. I've got one of the hair things, and that's like the best thing ever. Okay, so it's a little, so you wet it and then scrub your lips. I've got super chapped lips, so I will definitely Give that a go. Never seen one of them before. Intriguing. Next up, I've got Ren, and this is an Ever Calm Global Protection Day Cream. And some of the things, because the beauty boxes have a couple of variations, when I get to one of them, I will show you. Is this one? No, this isn't. So every box, everything I've showed so far, every box has got in. This is a daily moisturiser enriched with a blend of antioxidants and soothing seed oils to help calm and nourish your skin. Designed to protect your skin against dehydration and external aggressors to tackle the signs of premature aging. It's got sesame seed oil, camellia seed oil, shea butter, orange peel oil and sunflower seed oil. That looks nice. I won't use that though. It is cruelty free, but I won't use it just because it has so much oil in it. And I'm kind of loving my Fenty at the moment, my skincare at the moment. I'm just really, really happy with it. So again, that'll go into a giveaway. I mean, I could keep it and use it at a later date, but things don't last forever, so I'd rather it went to somebody who would use it. And then next, oh, we've got Avon. Oh, I didn't know Avon was in here. Avon, if you don't know, is a very, very expensive skincare brand. This is an overnight facial serum that helps hydrate the skin and combat signs of stress and fatigue. Pink orchid is an ingredient that improves skin elasticity and plumps out fine lines. Massage a pea-sized amount into the skin every night after cleansing and toning. So it's pink orchid subtle restoring overnight serum. Oh, it's got hyaluronic and glycerin and white peony. That sounds amazing. Avon is also cruelty free, which makes me happy panda. Oh, I'll definitely give that a go. That looks awesome. I'm gonna have a little look. Just a tiny bit. I want to see if it smells. Very, very faintly. Oh, it feels really nice on your skin. Got like a slick to it, but then it's gone. That's vanished. Nice. And then the variation this month is the first item. So I have got a Nails Ink Be Incredible nail varnish, which in a colour Mayfair Lane, which is a really pretty dusty pink. Salon quality nail polish to help you get a professional looking manicure at home, with an easy to use brush for mess free application. So that's what I've got. And the other item you can get is a Bella Pierre a shimmery eyeshadow in a gorgeous copper colour. So that is your variation this month. You will get everything else, but you will either get this one or this one depending on your box. I thought that was a really good box. I'm most excited probably about the scrubby thing and the eyelashes. I might even put the eyelashes on today and feel like a fancy pants. It says no trim. Very excited to try those. And then there is a sneak peek. What's coming up? Our May box is all about celebrating sunnier days. Think daisy fields and picnics in the park. And you've got the Espa 24-hour replenishing eye moisturiser worth £18.66. So that is your spoiler for May. That was the box. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. As I said, I've got a big 10,000 subscriber giveaway coming. I'm hoping Ben is going to go to Hermes today and fight them and get my my Gossy Box egg that I can unbox, show you guys, and then that will go into a giveaway. And then there's one more thing to come, I think, the big 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So yeah, you need to be subscribed to be entered to that. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Have a lovely Easter.